How's it going? So I just wanted to unbox my Noxgear Tracer2 LED vest that I just got. I'm super excited for it. I saw it on someone, knew I had to have it. I thought it'd be great for those early morning runs or those late night runs. You know, I think it's important to stay as visible as possible, to be as safe as we can be. So this will be great, you know, to match up with the headlamp. I have two. Like I said, you know, goal is just to be as safe as we can be when we're running out in the dark. And being that I am training for a marathon in June, you know, I'm going to be getting in more runs. This will just be super helpful. So, you know, this thing has 16 different color modes on it. It's USB rechargeable. It's IP67 rated for the weather, and very lightweight. So far I've seen good reviews on it, and you know, I'll probably end up doing a review after my first run, but I just kind of want to see what it looks like, what's in the box. So kind of show you that here. So let's go. Sweet. So kind of a little sleeve there. Now in the packaging, I did get this as well. Just some extra clips to, you know, keep the vest close to my body, and then I got the US rechargeable cable as well. These didn't come included. You know, you have an option on the website to add in, you know, these if you want to purchase them as well. So purchase those. And then now let's take a look in here, see what we've got. So that's kind of what this looks like. Kind of shows you how to put it on, which is cool. Oh, sweet. Well, it looks like it did actually come with one. Didn't realize that. I probably wouldn't have bought the spare, but it's always good to have. USB-C's for everything, right? So it came with that cable. I really like how they set everything in this box. Let's see what we've got here. And then this is it. So let's take this guy out. Sweet. All right, perfect. Well, here goes this. So, kind of just show you what's in the case. Looks like there's a little tab back there, and there you go. That is it. Like I said, I look forward to trying this out, but I just kind of want to show you what's in the case. Kind of first impressions on it is I'm already liking it so far. So again, can't wait. But again, just want to show you what's in that. So be on the lookout for my next video. Do a review after my first run with this, and just see how it feels, see how I like it, and you know, put it to the test. So appreciate you tuning in for this unboxing of my Noxgear Tracer2, and I'll see you on the next one.